capturing of the winter landscapes that is now Greenfield, Wisconsin. In case you're wondering, I'm driving down the streets because they're plowing out the parking lot where I live. That's going to take some time. So I figured this would be a fun way to have some fun. We have set record amounts of snow the past 24 hours. And everyone that lives in Wisconsin, even the people that have lived here for a long, long time, are amazed by all of it. I remain, I don't know. But yeah. My iPod making all that noise. That sucker. Yeah! Went through a red light. I'm probably gonna get in an accident doing this eventually. I'm gonna be looking at my camera, not looking at the streets. Hit someone shoveling, barrel into a snowbank, one or the other. It won't be good though. But until that happens, I'll keep recording. I'll learn my lesson later. Asshole sneaking up on us, thinking he's all cool in his fucking snow-equipped car. I say, fuck you! Please slide over a little bit, dude. I'm gonna barrel into the snowbank. Thank you. Incredible, wonderful Sendex. You're enjoying this shit, right? This dude. we're approaching a red light. That's no fucking fun. This means I have to stop my car. But I won't stop this video. Oh no. The video continues. Right, Joe? Right. Here we go. What? Shut up, Joe. I was gonna say, I'm glad good songs are popping up on my iPod. Yeah! Well, I think it's time to end this video and head home and see if they've finished unplowing my parking lot. So for those of you who watched, which is probably none of you, I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.